Tonight we're seeing Flo, and then afterwards we're going to be queuing up in the middle of the street to be first in line to get wicked wristbands. We're getting our number, getting registered on the system, and then we have to come back tomorrow morning to get the wristband. The vlog's very merged, just giving Flo and Ariana. But our number is 150, period. 151. We're going back tomorrow to get our wristband.
It's 158 on the clock.
We were just in the queue from 9 o'clock until like 3 AM. We're going to the wicked premiere. Thank you. Is there? Oh my god. Today is the day of the wicked premiere. I can't believe I just said that. And I feel like a princess right now. I'm ready, and it hasn't processed in my brain today that I'm probably meeting Ariana Grande. And it's my birthday tomorrow, so like, universe, you better do your thing. Don't let anything go wrong. I need to add some this pink in my hair. So.
Mindless and careless, make sure you're with us when you're dancing through life. And I just had a vision almost like a prophecy. What is this feeling? I got his tickets. You coming? Everyone will be there.
I hate when I have to wear a coat. We just got done taking some pictures. And now we're about to run late for a train, so I'll see you there. On the train, just bought that to give to Ariana. I mean, I've just had to paint my nose on the train. And I think I'm gassing one up. Feel like this. Hasn't hit you. My voice is going, so. Has it hit you yet? No. Hasn't hit me, that's one slice. Look, my hair is green right now, but it's actually pink. Can you see? Look, pink, green, pink, green, pink, green.
We will shortly be arriving.
I'll just take some cute pictures. Look, some here. We're in London now. Oh, the hair is herring. And my friend just messaged me saying that she had a full detailed dream that we met Ariana, so it's written in the stars. And we're about to go to the place, but like 2 hours early, just to be around the area. I'm scared. We're back. The gang is back. What?
Guys, we're late.
No, you're
They
not.
already pulled 150.
Don't.
I'm not lying.
I'm scared.
I'm
Oh!
not lying. We'll keep us free.
This is guys. Yes.
No, I'm so happy that.
Back with Zola. You was in my Gabby vlog, right?
I was.
Yeah.
And now I'm featured in this vlog.
This vlog. And look at that.
Wait, oh my god, I have to unbutton. It's giving Shiz University.
It's giving ready.
The scarf on the head. 17.
Oh my god, do you help me? Where am I going?
This hat is crazy.
And it's 444, by the way. We just got upgrade. Oh, we're wicked! Yeah. I'm gonna take it down. Abigail! That's not her. I'm gonna be honest. Green. I'm getting emo. Guys, I can't speak, but Flo are gonna be here. Flo are coming too. They're gonna be sick of us. And our friends are over there. They're probably just here. Has it changed?
Yeah, let's go! Thank you so much, John. Don't have wicked stand. I'm so excited to see you.
Is that Lady Gaga? I know, look at that food! I love
I don't. Why is it not recorded?
Okay, I got it on my desk.
Leanne.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Leanne.
1 minute.
Hi. Can we get a picture made? No.
Bye, Naya. I love you. Mwah. Okay.
It fits, but she would have to move.
There's 15 minutes of
Alan. Hi. Just off for a load. And Georgia walked out of here and she said, and then they walked behind because of the crowd. Look at the crowd. So then they walked behind and then they went, hi girls. Oh, I love the things. So yeah.